Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Air Force One skeletons. Ooh. And I still can't open the box. Alright, there we go. Okay, put this away. Alright, ready. Nike Air Force Ones. Alright. Nike Air Force One. Oh, this box is heavy. Let's take a look. Right here. Alright, so this is the size tag. It says Air Force One, the skeleton. The color, it's starfish black. The size, these are size 11.5, which is a 13 in women's, and then a serial number at the bottom. So, my first time seeing this in person. I gotta see the glow in the dark. Okay. Ooh. Man, orange is so bright. Oh. I gotta see the glow in the dark in a second. Alright. Other shoe. That's all that comes in the box, is the shoes. Put this aside. Yeah, these are the shoes. Nike Air Force One skeletons. Alright, I got these off the sneakers app. I got size 11.5. And man, these shoes are really cool. The glow-in-the-dark insole, I haven't tested it out yet. I gotta look at that in a second. But yeah, the orange is super bright. The black contrast, and then obviously the skeleton. Alright, if we take a look at the inside of the shoe, it says Nike Air, and then obviously the size tag. And here, let me take this off. Shoe tree. And then obviously the inside here. I'll check out the insole. Alright, if we take a look at this insole, it's like an actual skeleton of your foot. It's pretty cool, actually. I did not know that before. But when I saw them right now, you can see the bones in there. And on the back of the shoe right here, we have Nike Air stitched. And then on the tongue, you know, it says everything that it says. And then, obviously up here, it says Nike Air Force One. It's cool. Orange laces, and they also, black tips. Pretty cool. Alright, now it's time to check out the glow-in-the-dark sole on these. Oh yeah, look, these things glow a lot. Obviously my camera is terrible in low light, but you can tell that there's a bit of glow to them. You can't really tell on camera, but in person, yeah, these things are glowing. Yeah, the glow on these is not too well because I literally put the shoe up to the window, get some sunlight, but I gotta try it on a flashlight, because I don't have a black light, but I got a flashlight, so I'm gonna try that. Alright, so flashlight here, turn it on. Alright, there we go. Alright, look at, see that, and then just go. Oh yeah, you can see the glow, definitely. Look, and then, oh yeah, these things are glowing a lot. Try this side. Get really close to it. Yeah, look at that glow. Oh, what about the whole bottom? Oh yeah, the bottom does too, look. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. Like this video if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one.